Hi everyone, it's your girl Lesline. Welcome to your 7-day yoga challenge. I am hype, but this yoga challenge is actually an opportunity for you to rest. I know as a mom, we don't have time, but we're so tired. So over the next 7 days, I'm gonna give you that opportunity to actually rest. So make sure you go on over to Instagram and hashtag LDW Yoga Challenge. So let's get into it. Today is day 1. Yay! So day 1 is easy pose. And the name says it all. It is easy. And so we're going to get into it. So I love props. So throughout the next 7 days, you're going to be seeing me use a lot of props. So the first prop that I like to use is a pillow, or also known as a yoga bolster. It's just a fancy word for a pillow. So if you have a pillow, which I'm pretty sure you do, or a couch cushion, I encourage you to use that to raise your floor. And you're just gonna sit on it, cross your legs. And I like to modify my easy pose and put one leg in front of the other. And then I scoot a little bit off of my pillow so that my legs are able, my knees are able to point down. This allows for my hips to start opening up. Then I place my hands on top of my thighs, palms facing up. And if it's comfortable for you, I encourage you to close your eyes. And continuing to breathe. Good. After about 3 to 5 deep breaths, you can open your eyes. And you did it! You did day 1 of Lesline's Yoga Challenge, hashtag LDW Yoga Challenge. I am so